Hi there, I'm Beth, and this is the 1970s outfit you saw me designing and sewing a couple of weeks ago. It was my entry to a fashion competition at BlytheCon UK, which I attended on Saturday, October 1st. In this video, I'll show you what I saw, what I got, and who I met. It was so much fun. Let's start with the travel. I got a train from Huntly to my home city, Aberdeen, then rode the bus all the way to London. It took about 16 hours of travel each way. It was nice to see London again. I used to live there. The convention was in the Chelsea Old Town Hall. There was a wedding happening in there too. The vendors were spread across 3 large rooms, each with tables for the attendees too. There were so many awesome people there, lots of colourful characters and very fashionably well dressed. The custom Blythes on display and visiting with their owners were astounding. Such creativity in every single one. At the back of the main hall was the raffle table and bring and buy sale too. There were 2 kenners in the raffle, one with a wig and one with no legs. The raffle tickets for the legless kenner were included in the goodie bags that everyone got. There were some lovely prizes up for grabs. Jessica_Flapjack put on 2 felting workshops in the morning. I joined in and we each felted ourselves a little balloon to take home with us. This was such fun and Jessica was so nice. We had some lovely chats throughout the day. After this, I really got stuck into shopping around the stalls. I didn't get round to filming every single one, but will include all that I did. My favourite vendor was the pumpkin bell. I just adore the staining on these clothes, making them so aged and vintage looking. Here were the entries for the fashion and photography competitions. I'm afraid I didn't win the fashion contest, but neither did the person who was announced on the day either. The winner went to the runner-up, Diddy Dolly Delights, with this beautiful set. In the afternoon, there was a little crafty make and take session. We were given felt cape shapes and embroidery floss to have a play with, and I will finish mine off at home. I needed a break and decided to walk down the King's Road to visit the Vivienne Westwood shop. I was delighted when the staff made a fuss over my dolls in their carrying cases. you're on Instagram, you probably know this lovely lady, Eileen Lamb, or Dolly Treasures. She takes the most incredible photos of her dolls, and I often wonder what treasures her house must hold. I was really happy to have had a little chat with her. Between shopping trips round the halls, I was delighted to meet so many viewers who said hi and took photos with me.
And here's a couple of randoms.
Some randoms. We've had the best day. Thank you.
At the end of the day, we all gathered for the raffle, and some of us got very lucky. Then it was time to head back. Rail strikes and motorway issues caused serious delays. But after 16 hours, I was home once more. What a journey. Well, here's my 70s themed outfit and the lucky girls who travelled with me in their homemade cases, which worked out really well. This is the tote bag that everyone got. Inside were lots of business cards, postcards, stickers and sweets. Let's have a look. There are also some cards that I picked up from vendors' tables here too. This is Pat, who took the photos, and Jessica, who did the felting workshop. The vendor directory and schedule of events, and my photos from the photo booth. Loved this. Here's the little balloon that I needle felted, and the as yet unfinished cape from the Make and Take. Alright, here's what I bought. Some RIT dye, shoe boxes, a mini space hopper, and there's a doll stand too from Magic Knight Rhiannon and Sir Galahad. A pair of brown-rimmed glasses from Dun Fundy, so cute, and a little slice of cake randomly too. This pink bear character named Rose from Earth Angels Studio. I loved their vintage themed stock. an awesome and quirky pear face mask, or hat, or frame, from Eva Maria. I might make a dress to go with this. This gorgeous woodland themed set from Wonderland. I love the hand embroidery, and the dress underneath is so cute too. This cute pink striped bag with a little furry cat poking out just had to be bought. I love animals on things. This is from Manarata Doll. Another bag, this one from Seamstress Casey. I just loved the bright colours and tiny detail. It's actually all glued down to a solid inner piece. Very clever. This is my favourite, a midi-sized dress from the Pumpkin Bell. I just love the heavy weathering and staining. It looks so real and lived in. I have to try this technique myself. I was also delighted that this matched the felted balloon that I'd just made. This exquisite knitted jumper from Wackadoo. I can't get over the tiny cable knit details. And another adorable jumper from Cotton Candies with a little bear on the front. I couldn't resist the retro character on this top from Dutch Blythe Fashion. And finally, in the raffle at the end, I won these Blythe earrings. They're so pretty, made by Blythe Bijou Boutique. I'm so happy with all that I bought, and it's always so exciting to see clothes here that I didn't make myself. I so rarely buy finished items. Please stick with me right until the end of the video. I'll go and dress up some of my dolls and get some nice detail shots of everything styled together. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing BlytheCon UK with me, and hello to anyone watching who saw me there. Please leave a comment below, like and consider subscribing if you're new, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!